I heard about Rome simply through a Google search.
Rome is something that came up.
The moment I opened Rome's website, I immediately got the vibe that, okay, this is a company that I want to work with. So I signed up and I got in touch, and immediately I saw that, yeah, I was right.
There's a lot of flexibility. You can rent longer term, but don't have to commit to leasing or buying long term.
It was a simple 3-step process. I logged in, chose my car, chose my payment plan, and from there it was just a registration process.
The best thing about Rome is definitely the people.
Actually, I didn't have time to call the customer service much because it's no problem, right?
There really is a frictionless customer service experience, which we've all gotten used to with Apple and Amazon. More specifically Apple, but this is like the Apple of car experiences in my opinion. Rome, standing out from other competitors, was the vehicle selection.
We were getting new cars, which was like, it's equivalent to like buying like what you get from the showroom. We were getting just exactly new cars with like so much flexibility and so much convenience.
And then I found that Rome is our solution. I think if I buy the used car, I cannot like handle with all the maintenance because I got zero knowledge about the car.